We're here at Precision Auto Works in Camden, New Jersey. The 6.9 is here for interior work, and the seats are at the upholstery shop, so you won't get a shot of those, but I will try to lean in and show you what the car looks like having the seats out. We've picked up the wood, which will be shipped out for refinishing, and when it comes back, it'll go back in the car. We have the material for the package shelf, and that'll be reupholstered as well. But as you can see, the car is sitting level, as it should, and it's in excellent condition, having arrived from A&M by flatbed. And I'll try and get a close-up here of the 15-inch bunt wheels. These are mounted on Michelin tires, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but the lip is polished and the inside is painted. It's a little bit different look, but I like the look. I'll be ordering a complete set of lug nuts from Mercedes to replace these. We'll do a walk around and you can see the car. Try and back up here and get a little bit better shot of it. And I don't want to see any remarks in the comments about the US bumpers. This is the driver's side of the car. Again, here's a shot of the wheel. Lean in the interior here and get your shot of the obverse. It's the rear passenger area. This will all be put back together when the seats come back. And they will be leather, even though they were originally velour. So that's about it for now. Thanks for watching this, and stay tuned for more.